Hello everyone. I am going to speak to you today about Watson Analytics, and I've put together a PowerPoint presentation on basically everything that I have done in the tutorial. You can watch it on YouTube. The other thing is, so this class that I've been taking at the University of Washington, and so we have been learning a few different objectives that I would like to talk about. So the few that we're going to talk about today is to learn how to download data and upload it to Watson Analytics, learn how to find data that Watson Analytics will score above 70%, which is really good, learn how to create a prediction through Watson Analytics, learn how to create an exploration through Watson Analytics, learn how to create an assembled view through Watson Analytics, learn how to create tables through Watson Analytics that will help the decision maker make better decisions for the company. And as we're going through it, this is the procedure that I've written up. So first you would go to Watson Analytics website and log into Watson Analytics. If you don't have a login, you would need to sign up and then choose your data and upload it. For this data that I've chosen today, I've used www.data.gov. This website has many different data that you can pull from, and it will help you get the data that you need. Then once your data is uploaded, you will need to check what score you got for the data, and if you got over 70, that means that your data is really good. So you would save your data on your desktop, which I have saved my data as well for this project. So now what I would do is I would go into Watson Analytics, and what we want to do is add the data after finding the data. So we add the data by clicking on the middle button right here that has a circle and an addition sign here. And the middle of this, when you click it, you will get the decision to upload it. So under here, after clicking it, it say drop your file, and so you can click on that button and then upload your data. And then this is what I meant when I said this. If you have over 70%, that means that your score is pretty good. On the left hand side here, it says high quality data, and it has a 78 right here, which gives my data a high score, which means my data is credible. Then you would I would want to click on prediction, and this is what it will look like. Once I click on prediction, you will have your data set right here, the one that you downloaded before, and you would just click on it after clicking on prediction, which is the green tile on the screen. So click on your data, and then this is what you will see. Once you click on the data set you will want this is what you will see. You will create a new analysis name for your workbook, and then you will click on the different text that you would like to use, so the different tiles that and targets that you would like. After that, you would click on create prediction. So here for this one, we have selected foreign trade. That is the name of the analysis. And then here, this is the different 5 targets that you have. And then you would create a prediction. So once you click on create prediction, this is what is going to show you. So you click on create a prediction, and then this is what it's going to look like. It has the 5 different targets that you clicked on, and up here it says that this workbook has 5 targets, so you know that all 5 targets that you selected have been put in here. And then on this next tile, you can see that it has excellent data quality of 78%, and then the analysis details of 10 out of 10 that are really good, and then the top field associates are here. On the right hand side right here, you can see different tables that Watson Analytics has come up with for you with your data from the past data that you have had, and it just gives you an extra little bit that you can look at. So next we're going to click on this excellent data quality. Once you click on view right here in blue, this is what will pop up, and then you'll be able to see your average quality score of 78, and then you'll be able to see data quality by field, and then you would be able to see all the different things down here that they have, and then here it shows you that your data is between 70 and 80, which is pretty good. If you can get it higher, that means it's excellent data. And then we're going to go here, and then you close out of that and click on top field associates. Where we looked before, you can see it under here where it says top field associates. If you click on view, this is what it will come up. And Watson Analytics has put up different tables for you, and with your with the data that you have given them. It just gives you a better idea and helps you with better decision making. So this is what it will look like when you click on the top field associations. Excuse me. And then you will see you can click on any code and it will bring up the information in a more organized way, just like this one that I've shown you on the screen. And then if you click on statistical details and different things like that. So for some reason, also what Watson Analytics has done as a good thing is that the words that are underlined, it actually gives you the meaning of each of them, just a quick definition to help you out. Then click on statistical data, just like what I told you, and this is what it will bring up right here. It will bring you a little more data, just in detail, to help you out. You can also click on the main site and details, and this is what it will look like. See main site, details, things like that on the left hand side right here. And it brings up even more information that can help you with this. So this tool of creating a prediction will help you see what some possible outcomes of what may happen due to past data. So the next thing we're going to do is just close out of that, and then if you don't know how to close out of it, click on the tiny drop down menu on the top of the screen. It'll show up even on the other screens that you're on. Click on that and then click on the welcome page, and this is what it will bring you to. So once you click on the menu page, after you click on this one, what we're going to do is this. Click on explore. So right here, right on the top one, you can see explore is a blue tile right here. So we're going to click on explore, and then this is what it will bring up. So once you have this data, Watson Analytics will analyze your data and give you different options, and then these have the different tiles that you have right here. These tiles will help you with the different data that you've uploaded. It gives you a more organized way of looking at your data. So I have clicked on the first tile here, which is what is the breakdown of the number of text by text 1. And for someone who actually has this data, it will make more sense. But for me, I'm just giving you an example right now. So click on that field that you would like to research. In my case, I am researching about trading and the years that the US has been successful in trading. So this is what you will see. It has the different amounts. So it has 2010, 2000, all these different numbers right here of the different years that you can see. And up here, it's going to show you a little more information. I'm just going to maximize it real quick so that you can see it. So you see right here 2010, 2005, 2000, all that stuff. And then right here it shows that the highest, median, and lowest years of the information. I'm just going to make it a little bigger so we can read that. Yes, so the highest is 1990, and then the median is 1992. And so yes, so this information is just basically there for you so that you can get a better idea of this, and this will help the decision maker with a little more information that they need. So yes, so this is the information here, and then if you keep on researching, this information gives you the recommended visualization that Watson explored for you with the data set that you gave them. Then close this tile and open a new tile while exploring different data. So for an example, we have a different tile here, which you could just on the right hand side here, it shows you a small button. It shows you different tables that you can work with. So if you click on that table, it'll bring up different types of information. So for this one, code 2 by text, right here it gives you all the different tax codes, and the tax codes are all colored by different colors. And so this is the breakdown right here. And this is a great way of presenting data in case you have a meeting or someone to actually present this data for. So this is what you will see when you choose the bar graph. So down here again, like we did before, the bar graph is right here. And so this is the bar graph, and by using the exploration, you are able to see the visualization that Watson Analytics came up with for you. And so this is a different bar chart, and the bar chart shows, actually if you hover over the bar chart, you'll be able to see the actual different amounts for each year. And so again, this information would be really great for someone who knows about someone who actually is working with this data. They will be able to analyze it even more. So yes, as you can see right here, the different numbers, it helps you to see it even better. Then in the next one, what we're going to do is close out of that again, and then we're going to go to the welcome page. So the welcome page that we went to earlier is the one that has the different tiles that we can click on, and we're going to click on the assemble tile. And the assemble tile is the purple tile, and then you would choose your data that you would like to use and upload, just like we did in the previous two different ones that we did. And so for the prediction, this is what it will look like after you upload your data. You would be able to, let me just make this a little bigger. You would be able to click on a layout that you would like, and then you would want to click on create, which is the pink tile up here. And so once you click on create, this is what will come up. And then you have the different tiles, as you can see right here, and then on the bottom you have text, code, code 1, text 2, code 2, code 3, and different names right here. So once you click on those and drag and drop, this is what Watson Analytics is going to do for you. It will build a different type of layout for you, and each of these, again, since we're working with tax codes, it will show you the different tax codes and the amounts, sorry, the numbers that go with it, and different colors that go with it as well. So the assemble tool can actually just help you make different type of graphs. If you would like to expand and make even more graphs, you can pull data to a certain tab, and then it will create an even better data for you. And so yes, so this is what we've learned with the assemble tool. It'll help you with the presentation. If you have to present to a group, it's just a great way to help you. So in conclusion, you can make tables, you can create predictions, and help your company make company-wide decisions. Predictions can help you find predictive insights hidden in your data. This helps you to drive each behavior and outcome and take your next steps to confidence. Explorations are powerful visualizations for your data and discover patterns and relationships that impact your business. The Assemble view helps you to create interactive dashboards to monitor key details and infographics that tell persuasive stories. Just like we talked about before, if you have a presentation to give, the Assemble tool is the best way to make different types of reports and bar graphs and charts. Overall, Watson Analytics is a wonderful tool that can help you help your company make better decisions.